Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a bunch of bananas.
Yeah, a whole bunch of them. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, but you don't have to use markers. You could also use a pencil or even crayons. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's draw the first banana of our bunch right in the middle of our paper. Let's start up here at the top and we're going to draw a curve. It just comes out a little bit and then back the other way. Yeah, then we're going to draw the same curve right next to it, but we're going to draw it a little shorter. So I'm going to start over here, and we're going to draw it coming down, just the same as the first one. But see, I drew it shorter here and also up at the top. Yeah, and then down here at the bottom, let's draw it curving in like this, and then getting really close to the other line. Yeah. And then right here, we can connect it that's the bottom of our banana. That's probably a little too wide, but that's okay, right? We're practicing. All right, now let's draw the top. We're gonna draw the same curve coming in, like it's getting close to touching there. And then let's draw the stem. We're gonna draw it coming up just a little further. And then right here, we're going to draw this coming up closer also. Nice. Now let's come down here. We can add a little extra detail to the end of our banana to make it a little thinner. There we go. Now let's add our next banana. We're going to start here. We're going to draw the stem right next to the one we already drew. And then we're going to draw another curve that comes out. But watch this. We're going to start close. And as we come down, we're going to get further away and get wider at the bottom. Yeah. And then we can draw that short little bottom to the banana. And then we're going to draw a curve to connect to the other banana. There we go. We got our second banana. Oh, we could also add that little extra detail like we have on this one. Okay, let's draw another banana, and we're going to do the same thing. We'll draw the stem close to the other one. Then this time we're going to draw it curving out maybe even further than this one that we drew. And then we can draw the short end to the banana, and then we're going to draw a curve coming back in to connect to the other two. We can also add that little extra bottom to our banana. Let's add a banana to the back of our bunch. We're going to start here and do the same thing. We're going to draw a short line. Then we're going to draw it curving out further like this. And down here at the bottom, we'll get really far away. So there's a lot of space here. And then right at the end, let's curve kind of coming this way. Then we can draw that short little end to the banana, and then we'll connect it into the others. Let's add one more banana right here. We could just draw it curving this way. And then we can draw that little end to the banana sticking out. So we just got it. One last banana that you can barely see. And we can also, let's add those extra little lines at the end of those two bananas. Yeah, all right, now let's draw the part of the stem that keeps them all together. We're gonna draw just a zigzag line. And then let's come up, around, and then back down. Kind of looks like a little ghost. and then we're gonna connect the rest of the bananas right here. We can just draw a little zigzag line that comes down. And then we're going to come up and connect at the top. We did it. We finished drawing our bananas. Well, we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah. Oh, and also we need to add a funny face.
Oh.
But I'm going to challenge you to add your own funny face, and also our art friends. You guys can pause the video and add whatever funny face you want to your banana, and then also color it. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our bunch of bananas, and they turned out awesome. I especially love how sweet yours look.
Thank you.
Mine look like they're gonna rob a bank. Get it? They're going bad.
I think they just look like they're about ready to be made into banana bread.
I used an orange color to add a shadow to my bananas, but it does kind of look like they're super ripe, and yours look like they're perfect, ready to eat. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers. If you have the same set, we used 35 yellow for the main color of our bananas. Then we used a really light green, 174. And then we used 2 browns.
100 and 103.
Yeah, 100 is the lighter brown, and then 103 is the darker brown. And then I used 24 to add the shading or the ripeness to my banana. We also used 88 pink for the lips and also the cheeks.
But remember, you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom.
Yeah, you don't have to use the same markers or even markers at all. You could use crayons, colored pencils, or even oil pastels.
We hope you had fun drawing a bunch of bananas.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.